In today's video, I'm going shopping at IKEA and I'm going to look for some items that I need to transform my space. I'm looking for more of a minimalistic look. I'm going to see how you can transform your space and save money at the same time. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually here at IKEA in the cafeteria getting something to eat before I start. Rewind. All right, let's go back to the video that I posted a couple of weeks ago on creating a vision board. And one of the main things that I spoke about on my vision board was transforming your home. I believe that your space, your home should be a place of sanctuary that will inspire you to do great things outside of your home. And that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to actually start this series on transforming my house, every corner of it, into something inspiring, motivating, and of course relaxing, that when I come from the outside of my home, I can come home and relax, and at the same time, before I leave my home, it can inspire me to do great things out there. And you should probably want to do the same. But for today, we're going to start shopping and we're going to pick up some items from my dining room so that way you can transform this space. Basic, beautiful, simple look is what I'm looking for, like a Scandinavian style. So let's go. All right, guys, really quickly, I'm going to show you what my dining room look like and what goals I have for it. I want to add a really big artwork in the background, something minimalistic, clear the counter of all the mess, add some kind of vase or plant in the corner, new chairs, something minimalistic, and lighting, of course. All right, let's get to it. So I saw these dining tables and chairs and setup. I saw this showroom, which was really pretty. I love the table, but it's a little more on the country style look, and that's not the vibe I'm going for. I'm going for minimalistic, but it definitely gave me some ideas on wanting to stain my table that dark so it can go with the vibe I'm looking for. I love the lamps. And in this showroom, I actually saw these lighting up top that look really nice, a very clean, very simple, very like loft, Scandinavian, very simple, which is what I'm looking for. And I want to mix it up. So right here, I'm looking at these vases, really pretty. They were on sale, well, on clearance for $17.99, and you get all three of them. Really pretty. I'm definitely picking those up, and I can put them in different parts of the house. This is the dining room setup for this showroom. It's pretty simple. Simple but clean and nice. I really love that. I don't care for the chairs, but the table, I could have definitely worked with that. But obviously, I'm not buying a new table because I have one, and the one I have is really solid and good quality. So I don't plan on getting rid of it, but I definitely wanted to show you guys the price in case you were interested. Now I'm in the chair section looking at chairs, and I'm obsessed with ghost chairs. I love them. Compared to where you would get ghost chairs somewhere else, IKEA's ghost chairs is pretty affordable at $80. But I haven't decided which color I want, if I want clear or the blue one. But I'm definitely getting one of these. I just have to decide the color. Now, if you want to find out which color I end up choosing, make sure you stay tuned for the dining room reveal so that way you can see which one I chose. But this is super cute. I love them. Love it, love it, love it, love it. But anyways, moving on, you'll see that I'll put the chairs next to each other so I can get a better look of which one I'm going to go for. But at this point, I kind of have an idea which one I'm going to do. Right now, I'm in the lighting section looking for lighting. I have an idea what I want, and I'm not really seeing it in IKEA, but I figured I'd show you guys anyways what I found. And some of these lightings are nice, but they're so known for IKEA, and I do not want to brand my house with all of IKEA where it's so obvious. A lot of stuff will be in my house from IKEA, but they'll probably be in disguise, either repainted, repurposed, DIY'd in some kind of way. Otherwise, it would look kind of tacky. These basket lighting, amazing, so beautiful. If I was doing a bohem style house, definitely would be something I would go for. So, so cute. And now I'm in the painting and artwork section because, you know, I want to add a really big artwork in the back of the tables. This painting right here was so pretty. Love it. The colors, the simplicity of it. But they can get pretty expensive. But you know what? it's okay, because compared to what you would get it outside, it would be pretty expensive compared to IKEA. So you're still getting a really good deal. Up until I came up to this picture right here. I don't care for the picture, but look at this, guys. It comes with a metal frame and it's a huge artwork. It don't look that big, but it's really big. And that's exactly what I'm looking for. Something really big to go in my dining room to make a statement. So what I came up with is that I'm going to actually get this and repaint it and create my own DIY artwork. Now, if you want to see how that turns out, and then you might want to stay tuned to my next video where I'm going to show you how I revamp this artwork. I already started the process. As you can see, I kind of added the first layer of paint. If you want to see how I make this into some minimalistic artwork for my dining room, stay tuned for the next video. Right now, we're looking at these sticks. I don't remember what it's called, but I'll show you the tag because I don't remember. But anyways, this right here is a great replacement for what I was originally wanting, which was like a plant in the corner with a vase that I already have. But I decided I'm not going to go with the plant. I'm going to go with this vase, which is what I already have, and I'm going to repaint it, and I'm going to add those sticks in there. It's that time, guys. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I would show you how I save money at IKEA. So I'm going to spill the beans. Check out this dresser. You see when the sign is yellow, it means that the price has been reduced, but it could be for 2 reasons. In this case, this dresser is going to be discontinued, so you're not going to see it anymore. So take it while you can. In this situation with these little pull out little boxes, whatever they call these little cubbies, they're reduced to $3.49. It's on a yellow sign, but it's only temporary that it's going to be at that sell price, but they're going to continue to sell it versus that dresser. And my favorite part of saving money is the as is section. Why? 50% off. Look at this carpet. So nice. Love it. Who doesn't like a really nice jute rug? Like, this is really beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. No space for it in my house and doesn't quite fit the look I'm looking for, but definitely something I would use if I had a bigger space. And we have the lighting section, and you will not believe that some of the light fixtures I was looking for, I found it. Yay! But then again, I couldn't make a decision whether I wanted it or not. So stay tuned and find out on my dining room video to find out if I ended up picking up this item or not. But great savings. And look at this one. This was in the first showroom. Look at the price, 40% off, $23. You can't beat that. And of course, I was looking at some chairs, and you will not believe what I found in the clearance section. This is why I love IKEA, guys. The ghost chairs. The ghost chairs. $80. But guess what? $49. I mean, like, really? Come on now. Ghost chairs? I'm telling you, this is why I love IKEA. They had more chairs, more tables. They got these wooden tables and these faux-looking wooden chairs. It's priced pretty decently, but I already have tables. And another dresser that we found that was in pretty good condition. This one probably was a used item. These chairs, they came with a whole set. Sometimes the items that you find in the as-is are either discontinued items, the items they're not going to have anymore, returns that are fairly used, or things that came out of the showroom. And you'll know if it came out of the showroom because it'll say showroom on there, or it'll just say discontinued or damaged item. If it's damaged, you'll say damaged, but either way, you still can save a lot of money out of the as is section. Look at these plates, super cute. $1.50. I love the pink. My husband doesn't, but still, if you're like a girly girl and you won't mind having like some pink plates, I think it's something you would get. Even at regular price, it's not that badly priced. All right, now that we're done shopping, now I'm actually gonna take some of these items and transform them into my space. And you're going to see the finished product. Are you ready? I'm ready. If you haven't watched the vision board video on how to create the vision board, you might want to start with that video, then come back to this one, so that way you know why I'm actually starting the series on transforming my space. So I'm posting the next video, which should be in a few days. After I finish shopping, picking up what I want, I'm going to show you how I'm going to transform those items to create the space that I want. And then the third video in this series of the dining room, I'm actually going to make sure that I show you the whole dining room as a whole after it's been transformed. So if that sounds like something you want to follow through with, hit the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell so you can know when the next time I'm posting a video.